Live. This is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is May 3rd, 2012. It's Thursday, the eve of Friday, and here is your update for today. First of all, on the official 2012 countdown clock, we have only 231 days and approximately 10 hours before December 21st, 2012. So heads up, only 231 days. And here is your update for today. There's a lot of activity going on tonight. Rare April freezing rain in Brazil. That's going on today. Forget the floods and get ready to shiver, and that's by Sky News. Greenland glaciers are speeding up. And I guess that's speeding up melting. Oh no, wait, let's see, are they melting? The heavily crevassed ice on this small Greenland outlet glacier cascades down. Filled with icebergs and small bits of ice. So, if it's speeding up, maybe it's getting colder. I'm going to say. It didn't say it's speeding up melting. Okay, what's this? Super moon of May 5th, 2012. Heads up, the super perigee moon of May 5th, 2012 aligns with Earth and Sun. Heads up, super moon perigee going on tomorrow. A massive sinkhole 100 feet across appeared in the backyard of a Florida or Floridian, that's how you'd say it, family's house. Family's terror as their Florida house is nearly engulfed by a 100-foot wide sinkhole. And we have Mexico City, just 40 miles away from volcano, throwing poison gases a mile up into the air over Puebla State. Popocatépetl volcano threatens millions with gas and ash. Mexico on high alert. Okay, now what else do we got going on here? Ooh. This says, octopus eats seagull in picture snapped by amateur photographer Ginger Marine. Wow. This is a gross picture. It's hard to... It's gross. Oh, nothing to see here. Just move along. It looks like a dead bird that the octopus is eating. Okay, let's see. What else do we got? E-Energy News. Let's do that one. That's a different one. Let's turn this cell phone off just in case someone decides to call me. You never know. Let's turn this stuff off. We don't want to be interrupted. There it goes. Alrighty. Coalition requests Japan government immediately ask UN for help with spent fuel pool number 4 before it becomes too late. Telegraph. Japan public has turned fiercely against nuclear power. 89-year-old Arthur and none joined hunger strike outside METI. METI. The Economist. Japan is without nuclear power for the first time in 50 years. A silent majority speaks. Analysts say anti-nuclear party could soon vault to national prominence. Paper. Physicist warns even if number 4 spent fuel pool survives another major earthquake, failure of jury rigged inadequate piping installed after disaster could put cooling system out of commission. Financial Times. A no nuclear scenario could not be ruled out for Japan. IEA. Public remains skeptical. Gunderson. The water is steaming and boiling still at Fukushima. Yes, there's some radiation being given off, visible in recent TEPCO webcam footage. Wow, so check out that TEPCO webcam at Fukushima. I used to have the link. I think you find the link. They have a webcam that you keep watching. Let's see what else we got going on. Nuclear expert. Everybody is now paying attention to Unit 4 because we have 4 years to go before fuel removed. If water loss, a beacon of radiation will bathe sight in sky shine from gamma rays. You know those blue gamma rays that went off? Let's check out the U.S. real quick. See if there's something there. Okay, for today, cover story. Study on Fukushima fallout in U.S. Elevated levels of radioactive cadmium and technetium. I don't know there's so many different types of radiation. It's the only thing I learned out of this incident. Other than nuclear energy is bad. Homeland Security funded study playing down public's concern over radioactive fallout has huge economic benefits. We're not trying to bamboozle the public. Joe Rogan on Fukushima nuclear power. If these reactors keep messing up, we're going to have giant areas of our world contaminated and dead for hundreds of thousands of years. That's the reality we're operating under. Cover story. Study of Fukushima fallout, elevated levels of radioactive cadmium and okay, that was already said. We're done with that. Alrighty then. Let's check one more. Or two more. Let's go to the Watchers. Sumatran elephant found poisoned by humans in Indonesia. That's the only new article there. Let's see what we got going on here. The Extinction Protocol 2012. I don't think we did that one yet. Here we go. It's a lot of news here. Okay, for today, or this was yesterday, U.S. completes encirclement of Iran. Military officials say they can break Iranian forces in less than a month. Now, I reported on that yesterday. Let's move up. Fish kill in Turkey's Izmir's Tahatali district creates panic. There's a giant fish kill over there. Get this one. New poll finds 1 in 7 people thinks the end of the world is coming. And it's signs of the times. 1 in 7. I bet you it's more than that. Southwest Britain. What's going on there? Number 53. Eruption of Pago volcano ongoing in southwest Britain, PNG. Moving up the ladder here. Growing fears that North Korea's infamous volcano will soon erupt. And that's Mount Bekudu. Alright. It's gigantic. Let's see what else we got. Here we go. Underwater volcanic eruption reported near Japan, Iwo Jima Island. So there's some underwater volcanoes going on by Japan now. On edge. Pungent chemical smell alarms Gush Dan residents. And that's in Israel. It shows them holding mass. The operational ability that submarines give us. And this is from... Israel gets its 4th Dolphin class submarine from Germany. Heads up, another fish kill. 50,000 fish found dead in pond in Shenzhen, China. Cause of mysterious fish kill unknown. And we got a video here that says, Russia warns a preemptive strike against AMD if NATO goes ahead. Now what is NATO doing? Here we go. Uh-oh. And they're showing where all the bombs are going to go. I did put yesterday, you should watch it. It's a 1959. It's a great movie called Atomic Bomb. And they knew back then that nuclear radiation was dangerous. So how is everyone saying, oh, we don't know, we don't know? Of course, they had consultants giving them the information in order to make that movie. So check it out from 1959. It's an excellent movie. It's a hard-to-find movie. And it's only like 50 minutes long. And then I had connected some rare footage from Fukushima that reminds me of the people in the movie. Cold War. Okay, here, let me continue here. Cold War rhetoric takes dangerous turn. Russia threatens to destroy NATO missile shield if talks continue to stall. And that's our news for today. Yes. So, it's the eve of Friday. We just about made it through the week. 4 days down. 1 to go before the weekend. You have a wonderful, wonderful Friday and the rest of this Thursday. And I'll see you again sometime tomorrow. And I will I will put on another interesting video. But please check out that movie. That movie is awesome. And it's from the 50s. And it's just awesome. Even the acting's awesome. Alrighty then. See you again on the flip side tomorrow. Take care.